So what you need to do is take out everything inside your fridge, but before that, make sure you put your temperature into 0 so that you're not wasting a lot of energy and electricity. Next up, my door fridge. I will take away all the condiments that are old and food that you're not supposed to eat anymore because they're expired already. Make sure to check them out. So let's get to work. What I have here for materials for cleaning is the Mayors cleaners, lavender. They have different flavor. I really like this, and you're supporting a small business too. Toothbrush for the tiny parts and end of the fridge, and then this towel, the bamboo towel that I got from liquidation, and this scrubber, my hand scrubber. Let's get to work. So this is the look of the dirtiest fridge ever. Lots of buildup of pancake syrup, sauce, and some juice maybe that's got spilled. So now I need to put some love by using my soap and water. After cleaning it with soap and water, I have to remove all the shelves so that I can go deep cleaning it, the back of the fridge, the top of it, and it will be easier for me to clean up everything and scrub everything using my toothbrush and the scrubber hand that I have. And of course, after doing that soap and water, I spray it with this Mayors cleaners. It smells really good. I love this product so much, so try it out. Ayan na. I'll wipe it with clean white. Now the cleaning is done, so let's get to organizing.
This says, make your life healthy and simply fridge freeze. Beans, seed place, keep fresh. So for $3, if you saw my recent video, so I got 4 of these and 2 of this for fruits and vegetables. Leftover food so that it's easy to see, and they're stackable. See, I can add more if I want to. So cool. Namaste. Hooray! Naging hooray na. Yay! Look at that. So I put all the things that we can cooked, and these are desserts. Easy to see because they're transparent. The bread, these are FIFO, first in, first out. So these are the old bread. This one, the new one. So we will do that. Eat that first, and then these are the jam. Then the food that we're gonna eat and leftover will be here. So
That's a lot, Mom.
yes, that's a lot. Samosa. Papa did grocery shopping, and then eggs, milk there. There's new milk we'll put there. Onions, vegetables. Yes, so the vegetables. I got a new trick from Rian Richmond. I put the paper towel, wet paper towel to wrap on my broccoli to preserve them.